hits, breaks it, bad drivers, car wins, instant karma, crashes, bad parking defense. So let's get started. Another elderly car driver decides to check the brakes, so Submeter chases the other car with a fire extinguisher in his car. No one was hurt in the accident. A mom with her two teenage children were in the SUV during the crash, and one driver was in the work truck. Thief gets instant karma. He wasn't caught. He hasn't come back. If you have decided to parallel park your car, be careful now. Here is this white SUV blocking the black pickup. It was unfortunate for the white SUV. The pickup driver did not have the patience to wait for the owner of the SUV. The pickup hit the SUV and drove away, making way for the exit. This is never a good thing, so you should never do it either. This car was parked in the children's playground, so see what the children do. Submeter was absolutely waiting for that semi to push that pickup down the road. Submeter saw it when he was halfway in Submeter lane and knew he was going for it. No one was injured here. A person carelessly parks a car in the wrong place on the street. As a result, he had to receive a terrible punishment for this. Without looking for the owner, they first broke a window of the red car, later put some cement in the car. This car is blocked by some parallel parked cars, but the car owner has no time to wait for other car owners. The driver immediately hit the car and drove away. However, you should never do that either. Cars parked on the road and blocked the road. As a result, these three built men turned these cars upside down. This car also parked the car in the wrong place. As a result, the construction people blocked his car like this. Never park the car carelessly. The red car wanted to steal someone else's parking spot. But this unexpected happens. This bad driver got his immediate karma. Jack was exiting the highway and Jack was sideswiped by this driver. Never park your car in the wrong place, otherwise someone will turn your car into a toy with a monster machine. This car owner will never park a car carelessly again. Submitter drove away after that. Submitter only knew 404 was blocked by this accident caused by destruction. Dan was driving in his own lane on the Florida road. When he approached the next red light, the Buick marched in behind him. What he didn't know was that the woman had become offended and was now furious. When they come to a complete stop, she gets out of the car and walks over to Dan. He didn't even notice her until she was right at his door, speeding on the driver's side window. Dan could not find a reason for this woman's actions. Two cars decided to be in a hurry and wreck their cars. Or possible road rage looks like James swerved into the BMW. This gentleman doesn't know how to look before entering the street.
How you doing? You okay with that, don't you think? Come on over here, pal. Come on over here.
This guy was found at fault in the end for getting on the exit ramp, then coming back over onto the highway, where there was no space for him. After the accident, the ambulance, fire truck, and 3 troopers showed up. The lady in the oncoming lane couldn't stop in time for the train and slid onto the tracks. Learn from this footage and be careful before parking your car. Otherwise, your car will also have such problems. The pickup moves in front of the car, moving from the left to right, and decides to check the brakes for no reason. Submitter did show the guy in the black Mercedes the video and he took full responsibility. All parties were actually very nice people.